sana laging maging yung way mo, laging yung kay God, tsaka sana maging, since marami kang kaibigan, sana maging inspiration ka ng mga kaibigan mo. Yun, happy birthday. Hello, Jack. Happy birthday. Ngayong birthday mo, enjoy mo lang. Napakaganda mo na yun. Thank you. May effort. God bless you. Ito yun? Hindi pang wala na lang. Happy birthday.
Wala lang.
Yeah? Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. And wish you all the luck and greatness to all the years to come. Happy birthday. Hello, to birthday. First time. Wish you all the best. And sana, di ba, hindi ka magbabago. Pag-ipagpagod sa pala, hindi joke lang. Sana, makamit mo yung mga goal mo sa life. Kung paano pa na nakilala, sana maging ganito pa. Alam ko naman na, though, at first, hindi tayo naging ganun ka-close. But, dumating sa times na, yun.
Picture.
Tinulungan mo ako sa
Picture.
Very thankful ako